Now onto our Nikkei index trade. We have a long trade that we've been in since the 11th of December on the Nikkei, and that has been performing very nicely and cushioning the losses that we experienced in the other two indexes. It's got a total of 514 points and has been very nicely moving into this direction. I am cautious though. We will most likely be finding a bit of resistance up here at this old high, so we may look to close that out soon. Now, the start of all new cycles are a strong rally like we've experienced here with the Nikkei. Like we saw back here, there was that strong rally upward there. That was the start of the previous primary cycle. So, but regardless if they're bull or bear, they're both rising quite strongly. So we may see this market find a double top there and then head south. So it would be interesting to wait and see if it actually breaks through the old high there. Now onto our currency trades. We have the euro US dollar here, and we had a lovely short trade heading down into this area here where we captured our profit at our profit target for part A of the trade, and we hung on to part B for a little while longer and then moved our trailing stop losses up to the 1.4400 level, which we did get closed out of that trade, but that was during the Christmas break there, as really when you're going through a time where you want to be celebrating and not be worrying about whether there's going to be you're going to need to close out any of your positions and things like that, it's nicer to bring your stop loss much closer to the market and really save those profits where you can. So that trade closed out at 380 points in profit, which was very nice. It was only opened on the 15th of December and it closed just late last week. So that was a nice little trade that we were in. Then we had the USD JPY. We're still in this trade, and that's nicely moving up an uptrend line here. As you can see, it had a slight pullback here, but it's starting to head again into our favor as it found support along this trend line, which we have up here. So that's looking good. We had the USD CHF. Actually, the USD JPY is in a total profit of 134 points, pips as we speak. Now the USD CHF, that was the same as the euro trade, where we moved the stop loss up quite nice and high and just over the Christmas break, and we were actually closed out at a nice profit of 85 pip. That's only was a short time frame trade opening on the 15th of December, so it was only open for a little while, but nice to capture those profits before looking to re-enter these markets. Looking at the gold charts, that has had a really nice pullback here, so we'll be looking to re-enter into this market very soon. And finally on oil, it is actually stopped us out of our short trade. We were in the market here short, and just before this rally up here, our short position got stopped out. So that's why it is so important to trade with a stop loss, and also most importantly being within your risk management percentage, where you're not risking any more than 2%, 3% of your total trading account. And as at times the positions are going to go against you, that is the nature of trading, and it's all about the management of the risk within trading and keeping that in check. So we have a very strong rally over the end of last week, up it's starting to come up above this longer term trend line, so we may look to enter this market long. It has been quite difficult through this sideways moving market here. We did have a breakout to the downside, but then it's decided to turn around and head upward again. So, but as it's still through this sideways trading range, we may just sit back and watch for a little while. So, but anyway, I hope you have a great New Year's celebration and a safe time on the roads and at parties and things like that. So please do take care, and I look forward to talking to you again in the new year. Thanks again and take care. Bye.